This is real carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber. How much were they?
I don't know, just
Cheap, right? Shit, that's a good price. Hold it. Oh yeah, that shit looks neat. Alright, we got the 3M tape. Alright, so let's. So these are his, right? It's carbon fiber. Shit's light. And look like this. Versus mine. Plastic. Heavy as hell. They're heavy. Like probably weighs like its weight. We don't have a.
Dude, no.
That's like.
Oh yeah, that's like nothing.
It's like a sheet.
Hell yeah.
Damn. Interesting. I mean, this looks like this color looks nice. Or like this looks pretty shiny, but this also looks really good.
Porque I thought you were supposed to be like that.
It's the same shit.
No, it's not.
Hello guys. Okay, so if you're watching this video right now, I just want to show you what not to do. So if you guys see that we put the 3M tape first on the headlight and not on the carbon fiber eyelid. Well, first of all, the problem with the carbon fiber eyelid is that it's not sticky. It doesn't have a sticky surface itself. So basically, it wasn't really our mistake that we did the tape on the headlight first. It would have still worked if the eyelid itself had a more smoother area surface where it would actually stick to the eyelid. So unfortunately, this tape that it came with didn't work. To be honest, it's probably Chinese replica. I don't know, but it just didn't work. It didn't stick to the eyelid. It did stick to the headlight, but not the eyelid. So this is what we did instead. We actually, my brother, he went to the store and he purchased a stronger tape, and it worked better. But unfortunately, just after a few days of driving, he drives a lot on the highway, and so with the wind, it actually came off. One of them came off, and they're super light too. They're super light. So if you are planning to use double side tape with these, I'm not saying don't buy them, but because they are really good quality, they're really light, real carbon fiber. But unfortunately, it just doesn't work quite well. So just letting you know, don't use the cheap 3M tape that they come with. And if you're gonna buy a 3M tape, buy like a thicker one, because you're gonna see what we used here. But buy a thicker one and just be safer on that way. In the end, what my brother ended up doing, he actually ended up ordering different ones that were made out of plastic, just like the ones that I showed for my car, and those actually did work really well. They're still in his car. It's basically the same product, same style. It's just what you're seeing there. It's carbon fiber, real carbon fiber, that it's really hard to stick tape into them, versus the ones that he bought are like plastic. They're actually flexible. They're like kind of like feel like silicone plastic type. They're flexible. They're not like mine are hard. But yeah, just if you're watching this video, I mean, they look really nice. If you look at that, they look really nice, and highly recommend them to upgrade the look on your car. And this is the tape that we ended up using with these. But like I said, if eventually they ended up flying off on the highway. But also, as you see, this tape is really thin. It's too thin. It's literally like a paper. So yeah.